Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Another Thanksgiving side, sweet potato souffle. These are the ingredients that I will be using. Sweet potatoes, brown sugar, softened butter, granulated sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, whole milk, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, salt, eggs. I have a sheet pan here lined in aluminum foil. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the sweet potato, take some foil, and we're going to wrap the sweet potato in the foil. Then we're going to take the sweet potato and put it in an oven and let it bake for an hour and a half. I have the oven on 350 degrees. I've just taken the sweet potatoes out of the oven. It was baking for an hour and a half. The next thing what I'm going to do is take the skin off them and put them in this mixing bowl. And I have a hand mixer here. Going to peel the sweet potatoes. And then move on with the next step. I've already peeled the sweet potatoes, and now I'm going to use my hand mixer and mix it up together. Whip it all up. So it can get nice and smooth. The next thing is we're going to add some salt. Granulated sugar. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. And nutmeg. Oh yes, we mustn't forget the butter. Now, we continue to whisk this up. Okay, we're going to get a spoon and push everything down from the sides. Okay, well, now let's let the eggs jump in the pot. Whip the eggs up. Now we let the milk jump in the pot. The next thing to jump in is the vanilla extract. And we mix everything up. We beat everything up for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have a casserole dish here that I'm going to put the sweet potato souffle mixture in. We get it evenly spread out on top. Now we're going to mix the strudel topping. I have a bowl here, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, and butter. We're going to mix this up. Then I'm going to add the chopped nuts. I'm using walnuts. You can use pecans if you like. Now, we're going to sprinkle it over the souffle. Then we're going to pop it in the oven and bake it for 40 to 50 minutes. See? Here you have it, sweet potato souffle, a different alternative that you can make beside the same old candied yams, mashed sweet potatoes, or sweet potato pie. Enjoy. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.